Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nurse Jax, and today we're going to be discussing yeast infections. Disclaimer: the information in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose or treat any illnesses. A yeast infection is a vaginal infection that is caused by the fungus Candida albicans. What happens when a woman has a yeast infection is the pH of the vagina has typically been altered. Normal vaginal pH is between 3.8 and 4.5. Symptoms of a yeast infection include vaginal itching, an abnormal vaginal discharge, which has a thick white cottage cheese appearance, vaginal burning. Causes of a yeast infection include wearing panties that have a nylon crotch instead of cotton, persistently wearing tight jeans or other tight clothing, using scented feminine hygiene products such as scented tampons or scented pads, vaginal sprays, scented wipes, using scented bubble baths or scented shower gels, scented soaps, scented bath oil, scented fizzy. Any scented product can potentially cause a yeast infection because what happens in essence is it alters the pH of the vagina, leading to a yeast infection. It's also very important to avoid overusing antibiotics. And ladies, if you have a yeast infection and you're sexually active, please make sure you use a condom so that you're not transferring that yeast infection back and forth. Some things you can do again to prevent yeast infection is you want to avoid overusing antibiotics. It's very important to wear panties that have a cotton crotch instead of a nylon crotch. You want to make sure you avoid wearing tight jeans persistently or other tight clothing. It's also very important to avoid using those scented feminine hygiene products that we talked about, such as your scented bubble baths and your scented shower gels, your scented vaginal wipes, your scented tampons, scented pads. You want to avoid douching. You want to avoid overusing antibiotics. And ladies, if you're persistently developing yeast infections or if you have reoccurring yeast infections, you need to talk to your doctor because it could be due to another reason. Perhaps a weakened immune system, but that's something you would have to consult with your physician about. So if you have any of these symptoms that we've discussed in this video, please follow up with your gynecologist. A gynecologist is a physician who has been trained in reproductive health and other women's health issues. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe to this channel. Take care. Bye-bye.